Hello guys, welcome to the Storechat video tutorial for our cloud panel. This is the only WhatsApp marketing panel that is currently working in India right now for sending WhatsApp bulk marketing messages using your own numbers. So the best part of this panel is that it can use up to 20 numbers of yours to send WhatsApp messages in bulk to market your product or to send any information about your product or to just send updates about your product. You can send messages to anyone from this panel. So this is the home screen of the panel. You will go into this dashboard or the sign up screen or the sign in button you will see if you haven't logged in yet. After clicking on dashboard, this is the panel which you will see. All the working of this panel is controlled from here. First of all, you have to click on this icon and select managed instances. Instances means the number which this panel is going to use to send the WhatsApp messages. Like it's like just cloning your phone WhatsApp with the panel. So you will click on this manage instance, add an instance, and you can give any name to this instance. After that, you will click on this plus button and then a QR will appear over here. This QR you will have to scan from your WhatsApp app in the phone. You will go into your WhatsApp app and then click on the three dots on the top right corner. There you will find link devices. Click on that link devices and then tap on the button link a device. Then you will get an option to scan this QR code from your WhatsApp mobile phone. After scanning the code, your number will get attached with this panel, just like the numbers which are showing below this. Like these are my three numbers which are currently attached with this panel. These are those numbers which are used to send WhatsApp bulk messaging. So after going to attaching your instances, you will have to go to inbox where you will find all the incoming messages which you are receiving on your number. These messages are also shown in your phone as well as on this panel. Yeah, one more thing, that if you are not able to send any messages, then you have to go to your subscription and select the check all plan. Then you can select your free plan, like what we are offering to you, 15 days free trial. Then you can do it from here, get started. If you sign up from this link only, then you will be able to use this plan straight away from this panel. Okay, so as you have already connected your instances, and if it's your first time that you are using the WhatsApp marketing from your own number, as you are aware that WhatsApp is very prone to banning your numbers if you are doing spamming work from it. So to prevent you from the spam, the first feature which we have in this panel is this WhatsApp warmer. But to use this feature, you need to attach at least two numbers of yours in the instances. What this will do is that this will run a conversation between the instances which you have connected. It will keep on sending messages between those two numbers for a full day or till the time you keep this warmer on or off. Like it's better to keep WhatsApp warmer on in the night when you are not doing any WhatsApp marketing, because in that way your number will be communicating and it will be getting warmer for sending large number of messages on the daily basis. So it is always recommended that if you are new to this WhatsApp marketing and you haven't done any kind of marketing from your number, then you should be doing WhatsApp warmer every week for continuously for 7 days in the night. And you should at least attach one is your personal number or the one number which you will be using for the marketing, and the conversation will keep continuing, like messages would be sent from one number to another. It will keep on going on, and this will prevent your number from getting banned. But one more thing, when you are starting the WhatsApp marketing, in the first week you will not send more than 100 messages daily to new numbers, like to the contacts whom you never connected to them or you never contacted them before. Then those numbers shouldn't be more than 100 on a daily basis. Okay, now how will you be sending those messages? First thing, we are using the template system in this panel. So we need to create a template for every kind of message which we want to send on a bulk basis, like which we want to broadcast to a larger audience. For that, we use a template. And to create a template, we will be going to Flow Builder, and you will see this plus sign. You can create these types of template in this: text, images, document, audio, video, location, and poll. Poll is a very unique feature in this panel, because with the polling template, you get a button kind of a response. Like suppose if you have sent a whatever promotion message you want to send, you can type in that, and these are the reply words which we receive against it: yes or no, right? Like suppose, are you interested in sales? Yes, and second we have attached is no. We say submit this. This is our first template which we can save by clicking on the save button. Like we can set a first message, right? Okay, now the second message is we created. Like it's all completely up to you that you want to create the further flow of this message or just want to save this template message. That flow will work in such a way that if someone replied with yes, then he will receive thank you. This is just a reply key. You can type any word because we are not going to further make this flow. So this is the flow. If someone replies with a yes, then this message would be automatically sent to that person. But for that, you need to save this flow by giving it a name. So we give it the name untitled and save this. Now, to check our flows, we can check it from here. So whenever anyone replies with a yes to this message, he will receive this message. And if anyone replies with a no, we haven't set any message for that. If that message is there, then on receiving no on this message, that message would be automatically sent to that the person. This is the advanced feature which is there in this panel. But for the basic usage, you can just set up multiple templates on this. If you don't want this kind of flow, you can save this template, or you can create a new template. Whatever kind of template you want, you can upload an image and save that template. Those templates would be going to be this tab. These are the saved templates which would be saved in this. So to start the sending, we are going to sending. Before sending, you need to have a contact list. To create a contact list, you will mention the contact list name over here, whatever list you want. Like we are giving it test 101. Add this new contact list is created over here. Phone book test 101. We are going to add contacts to it. We can upload large number of contacts into this by a CSV file. First, we need to download the CSV file, and the template file would be received there, the sample file on which we have to paste our data. Data has to be in this format. If you have names, you will paste their names over here, their mobile numbers, and these are the variable if you need to use additional variables in your messaging. For that purpose, we use variable, but right now we don't need this, so we will delete this. And these are the suppose example in which we will be using right now. We save this sheet, yes, and then we are going to select the CSV file we just downloaded and select that, open, import. These contacts are already imported over here, but remember one thing, that every mobile number has to be with the country code. So if we are sending number to Indian customer, then it has to be prefixed with the 91 symbol. 91 followed by the 10-digit mobile number. So this way we can create multiple phone lists over here, having 50 contacts, 100 contacts, or 1000 contacts, whatever it is. You can have n numbers of listing over here. There is no limit, but yeah, for a trial we do have some kind of limit, like you cannot upload more than 500 contacts for a trial purpose. Those are the limit which are already applicable there. And after that, for sending purpose, you will be going to sending. These are the chatbot which you can create. You can create multiple chatbots for every keyword, but those keyword has to be there in the flow which you are already running. Because for a single number, you can create only a single flow, but multiple chatbot, like multiple keywords could have n number of responses, which you can set over there. In a single chat flow, all this diagram would be made. Like this is our flow. So if you want to set any kind of a chatbot, all the messages, all the replying keys should be in a single sheet. You can drag this in and make it any big as you want. Like now, as we were on the sending, so we will go to broadcast. We'll add a broadcast, give it a test name, whatever you want, but minimum delay should be of 20 seconds when you are starting your WhatsApp campaign. For the first month, the minimum delay should be 20, and the maximum, if it's your new number, then it is recommended to have a 80 seconds or more than 80 seconds as a delay time between. Minimum 20, maximum should be more than 80 or 80. Then we are going to select the instance, the number which we will be using to send our WhatsApp messages. We can use multiple numbers, like if you want to use 3 of these, we can use 3 of these. Then the message would be sent by alternatively, like first message by this, second by this, third by this, then again fourth by this number. Then the template we created, suppose we created a first message template and select the phone book, we created the test 10, and when we press the submit button, the campaign will start going. Like one of our campaign is running over here. This one has total of 943 contacts whom the message was being broadcasted. It has already delivered 573. 92 are sent, means it has a single tick. These have a double tick, and these are the messages which are having a green tick, like they have already been read by the recipient.